Hi guys, it's Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. So today I'm going to show you how to make some sea moss and also how to make some Irish moss from that sea moss, also known as sea moss drink. So I cannot wait to show you how to make that. So let's just sit back, relax and make that recipe. So we're going to start by making the sea moss gel in order to make the Irish moss. So I have some sea moss here that you can see, and guys, you really have to be careful with the sea moss because there are fakes out there. So in order to determine whether it's authentic, you want to get sea moss that says it's wild crafted or wild harvested. You also want to get sea moss that says it's from the Caribbean, so it can be from Jamaica, St. Lucia, I know Grenada, they do theirs. So you really want to make sure that it has a particular Caribbean island on there, as well as saying that it's wild crafted or wild harvested or organic. You also do not want to get anything that says it's made in China because that is going to be fake 100%. You also do not want to get sea moss that is the flakes or any type of powder because that has no nutrients whatsoever. So really be mindful of the sea moss that you are getting when you are making some sea moss gel. So I need to off the sea moss before I even begin to make the gel. So I'm just going to put it in a colander, and from there I'm going to wash off the impurities. So now it's time to wash off the sea moss. So I'm just going to use some cold water and my hands, or should I say hand, just to wash off the sea moss. And as you can see here, I'm just using my hand to break down the sea moss, and I'm doing that just to make sure that any salt or any grit or any type of debris has been thoroughly removed. So I need to use my hands to do that. Also because the sea moss is coming from the shoreline, you know, it's gonna pick up some type of grit and dirt, so you definitely want to make sure that you thoroughly wash off your sea moss before moving on to soaking it. So now that the sea moss has been completely washed, we're just going to add the sea moss now to a large bowl, and from there we are going to add some water to the bowl. And what we're going to do now is leave the sea moss to expand. So it's going to take several hours or overnight for the sea moss to expand. We're not adding any hot water or anything like that because that's just going to destroy any of the properties that the sea moss has. This is definitely the best way to prepare your sea moss. I know back in the day people would boil it and it would become gelatinous, but this is a much healthier way of preparing the sea moss. So I'm just going to cover the sea moss now with some more water, just so it has enough to expand, and then I'm going to just wrap it over for several hours until it's expanded. So this is what the sea moss looks like now after leaving it overnight, As you can see, it's expanded and the color of the sea moss has changed, and this is perfectly normal. So I'm just going to rinse off the water before I actually make the gel. So now it's time to make the sea moss gel. So I'm just going to add my sea moss to my blender. I'm using a Vitamix blender, but I do like to add water when I'm making the sea moss just to give it a bit of a helping hand. So depending on the strength of your blender or what type of blender you're using, you may or may not want to add water. You may also want to do this in batches as well, depending on the capacity of your blender. And what I'm going to do now is just add some water to help break down the sea moss and to get the gel working. So this is what the sea moss gel looks like. Now it's completely lump free and nice and smooth, ready to make our Irish moss, also known as sea moss drink. So now that the gel has been made, it's time to make the drink. So first of all, I'm just going to add some of the sea moss gel that I already made to my blender. And then I'm going to add some almond milk. You can also use coconut milk or any other plant-based milk that you want to. Then I'm just going to add some linseed. I used to add this when I was making the gel, but I now add it when I'm just making my Irish moss. Then I'm adding some vanilla, some homemade vegan condensed milk as well, some nutmeg, and some cinnamon. So I'm just going to blend that into a smooth consistency. Now guys, keep in mind that this Irish moss is a vegan and a healthier version of what's in the store. So I'm not adding any Guinness or Supplegen or gum arabic or anything like that to mine. So you might notice it's different from how Irish moss is normally made, but this is very tasty. And I also will leave the link in the description box to how I make the recipe. So guys, this is how you make a 2-in-1 recipe. So you know how to make the sea moss gel, and you also know how to make the drink to go along with it. It's vegan friendly, so it's great for anybody who is plant-based, or if you are lactose intolerant or whatever reason you have for drinking this version, then you would definitely love it. Again, this is a recipe that is one of my most popular on my website, so definitely check that out to get the full details for the recipe. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell as well to know when I post a new video.